but since you are talking about so much expansion and even exporting for the world while making in India, that's going to come at a cost. What kind of investment are you geared up for at Suzlon?
So effectively, if you see, I think our hardcore major investments and growth is all, from capacity production is all in India. Yeah, and I think that's something that we believe we can leverage to go to the world. So I think your investments globally are largely from a service and delivery point of view. So they are not to that level that you need to kind of go for any large kind of fund requirements. So I think we are kind of balancing that out and making sure that where our products, technology and value delivery to my customers globally fit well. And historically, Suzlon has been in 17 countries. We have expanded across the world. So I think there is a good credibility, almost 6 gigawatts of projects we have installed across 17 countries. So there is a goodwill existing for the past 20 years of those customers, and they would like to see Suzlon kind of play a more stronger role in those areas.
Any capex earmarked for the future phase of expansion?
So I think currently whatever are, we have a rolling capex which we kind of do year on year as part of our business plan, but that's largely within the reserves that we create during the year. So nothing outside additional that is planned, but we have an annual capex that we plan out.
So the question on everyone's mind is, given that renewable energy is such a fast expanding pool, and there's not just wind, there's so much emphasis on solar as well, green hydrogen, etc. Will Suzlon be increasing or opening its umbrella beyond wind business?
Yeah, so there I think we have been working at this particular element for a while now, and we've just in the process of defining Suzlon 2.0 right now. And the elements of those are primarily, moving from a pure single source play to a full RE solutions enterprise. So we will see in the coming years, Suzlon will become a full energy solutions company. And today when I benchmark, not just in India but globally, I think we'll be uniquely placed from that, because today there are no global players of that nature who are able to do an integrated solution of wind, solar, storage, and be able to provide a holistic solution. So we are working on that, and I think we are seeing good traction from customers, that they see that on one side, since we already do project development for wind, and that is much more complex than the solar and storage, so adding on that to our portfolio is a natural addition that we are doing. So with that, effectively we will, right now if you see the total market, between wind, solar and storage, effectively with wind you play with 20-25% of the market. The moment we expand, then I play the 100% of the market. So effectively this will give us a much larger canvas to participate, and more importantly for my customers, they then have a single one kind of point where they can go for a full solution, one-stop shop for the full solution for their RE needs. And we are seeing this today. If you look at my customer base, we have the India Inc., all the large industrial companies of the country. I mean, all of them have their own decarbonization targets, and part of that is a transition to green energy. And all of them are looking at a proper hybrid solution for making this happen. Likewise, the utilities also. All the Indian utilities, whether it's government or private, are looking to decarbonize and have a rightful energy mix on that. And today the beautiful part is that we've reached a point where wind, solar, storage, you are able to get 24/7 electricity, green electricity at a price point which is cheaper than any other source you can get in India. And moreover, almost 70-75% of the fuel we use in India for conventional energy is all imported. So, all the geopolitics and, also your forex issues and everything kind of piles up on that. So I think we are seeing a very quick adoption of, wind, solar, storage in everything. And also right now, with the uptake on the EVs in India, and now we are seeing the data centers for AI, and then we are seeing the third wave that will come from green hydrogen. All of these, for them to do it in a sustainable way, solution is going to be, they have to be powered with wind, solar, storage.